Damn, this light takes forever.
One eternity later.
Do you want to use this one?
Yeah, I'll take. Thank you.
No worries.
I don't know where I'm at. Woo, we here. I don't know where to go. Follow this fucking makeshift road. Oh shit! Right here should be cool. Damn, shit fucking rough right here. It's not that bad. Thought it was gonna be more wet, but it's not that bad. Gunshots. Damn, we can shoot out here?
Yo,
Pull up, cuz.
where you at?
Joshua Tree.
Damn. How long did it take you to get there?
Like under 2 hours. I left like at 9. And what time is it? Like 11? Yeah, 2 hours.
Yeah.
Come the kid. You working?
Yeah. Yeah, there's no PSN. Might as well go to work.
Oh, it's still down?
What is life? What is life, bro? I mean, life's good right now. Shit, I got online.
Dang.
Are you gonna spend the night there? Or are you gonna kick back or no?
No, I'll spend the night.
Damn. What are you gonna do?
Huh?
What do you do until it's nighttime?
The next day.
Woo! Alright. This is what sucks about this road. Or it's so freaking bumpy. But yeah, that was fun. But also my first time here at the BLM land, which is pretty cool. You can just pull up, set up anywhere. I guess you can shoot here. I don't know if it's legal, but there was like at least 5 to 7 parties, like shooting and stuff. It was funny because I was pretty spread out from everybody else. I mean, there was like, I was in between 2 parties, but quite a good distance. Oh. And I don't know what time I went to sleep, like around midnight. And woke up like around 2 because there was a straight up rave going on, like on the other side, like I don't know, probably like a football field away. But man, they were playing some cool stuff, some techno. Some techno, drum and bass. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, I woke up to that, and the well, let me check my bags and shit. But yeah, went back to sleep a couple minutes after that, right? And next thing I know, like I wake up like around 6, like 5 something, right? Trying to take some shots, and I wake up, there's an SUV, like I don't know, probably here to that pole right there. I was like all right, like out of all this space, you decided to park here, but it's whatever. That shit was funny though. Alright, let's get going. Try to make it in time for the Super Bowl.
A kick recovered by the Eagles, and that will do it.
yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the next trip is at. Now that it's getting a lot warmer, probably go to JT a little bit more often before it gets too hot, like in June or May. And then, yeah, see where else. Probably head down more south to like San Diego, check out sites over there, or up north. Like Yosemite is definitely one of my like checkpoints. And then San Francisco too. That'd be nice to ride up there. So yeah, definitely at least 2 in mind. And then whatever's out in San Diego, that'd be cool too. But yeah, see you guys next time. Ride safe. Watch out. I don't know. Laters.